Hi, this is Elizabeth from WTI, and if your hands are always cold when working outside,
then check out these winter work gloves from Superior Gloves. What's great about these gloves is that they're going to keep your hands warm, protected, and comfortable during those cold mornings of those winter days. I never knew that fleece-lined gloves were even a thing, so I've been so excited and so happy with these gloves. Even when it's a little bit warmer, the mornings are still very cold, and once my hands are cold, like everything else is cold. So these gloves have really nice fleece lined. They're very comfortable. There's actually a lot of fleece inside of it, and because of that, I've personally decided to size up. So normally I wear a size small, but with these I picked a size medium. That way my hands can feel comfortable and I can still move them around, and that they won't feel really tight or extra hot either. The palm coating becomes more flexible the more that you wear it, especially when it comes right out of the packaging, but it provides excellent grip. It keeps your hands protected whether I'm doing different types of yard work, like pulling out weeds or working with branches and sticks. And also it's good grip even when it was wet, like when I was power washing.
if you need gloves that are going to function for any sort of outdoor use, but also to keep your hands warm, then check these out. But that's just my point of view.